But Sarah, don't you know that I love you? Even God himself I have not put above you. She just said, Hefe, I think you should know the reason I go. You never take a chance. So into the desert I wandered alone. My vanquished heart as hard as a stone. But in my moment, in my 40 nights, I saw my way, I saw my light. And from this day forward, I will only listen to the still small voice in my head. 'Cause I listen to you and I listen to them, and all your lies say to me, all your voices are dead. And there lay the serpent, how she filled me with dread. I put my heel to her head. She said, I forgive you. You've been taught right from wrong. Then she sang to me the most beautiful song. I spoke with the prophet. He said, have nothing to fear. I said, then fill me up, I have ears to hear. He just said, God damn you, you're as gone as I've seen. What you think is sacred, we feel is obscene. From this day forward, I will only listen to the still small voice in my head. 'Cause I listen to you and I listen to them, and all your lies say to me, all your voices are dead. And she just said, Hefe, I think you should know the reason I go. You never take